Today we are happy to invite Professor Huan here for our interview. Professor Huan is from Institute of Physics, Chinese Academy of Sciences. He has got many awards in recent years, such as CAR's Outstanding Talents, CAR's Key Technology Talents, and so on. Good afternoon, Professor Huan. It's very nice to see you. Firstly, would you please give us a brief introduction about your research group?
Okay, thanks for the brief introduction. Actually, as you said, I'm working in the Institute of Physics and Chinese Academy of Sciences.
Yeah.
And our group mainly focuses on development of many kinds of scientific instruments. Currently, we focus on the growth and the characterization instruments, usually working in vacuum or ultra-high vacuum environment, including scanning probe or scanning tunneling microscope, molecular beam epitaxy, atomic layer deposition, and some related core component, and so on.
Yeah, thank you. We know that you have rich experience on build such complex systems. As you said, the scanning tunneling microscope, the molecular beam epitaxy system, and the atomic layer deposition system. And Professor Huan, can you give us some comments on the challenge during building this system and just share the results you have got to us?
Okay. Actually, it's not very easy to develop an instrument. Because instrument development is a very combined technology. Usually, many techniques involved, such as electronics, software, vacuum, low temperature, high temperature, high pressure, ultra high vacuum. You need multiple background. You need physics, chemistry, all kinds of fundamental areas. So and also making a system working is also time-consuming. But I think this work is very meaningful. And as everybody know, currently many instruments, especially precision, high-end instruments, we rely on imported ways. So I think this is an important field that we need working hard to solve those problems.
Yeah, we also noticed that you have got the fundings from CAR's NSFC for domestic instruments research and development in recent years. So similarly, Zolix has also spent much time and efforts on developing domestic instruments. So what do you think about the difference between the domestic instrument and the import instrument? And do you have any expectation about the future of our domestic instrument?
Okay. Obviously, as I mentioned before, we still have a big gap between domestic instruments and the imported ones. There are many fields we need to work hard to improve the specifications to reach their higher level, as obviously. And for Zolix and for us, we both working on the high-end experimental instrument. The difference is Zolix started very earlier, from now till now 25 years, and starting from being the agent for imported instrument, and then starting to develop your own technology, became a very well-known instrument company. And for us, as you mentioned, we have support from the country to develop instrument. I think that's different way. Both are important. In my point of view, any instrument has to be put on the market to be used and that way you can improve, you can find the problems, you can make the best instrument. So for me, even though we in the previous stage we got funding from the nation, and we have some techniques, but now we are also trying to put these techniques to the market. Also, I saw a company called Acme Beijing Technologies. Now we are trying also to design and manufacture some instrument, and hopefully we can learn from Zolix in some ways. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So if Zolix can have further cooperation with your group, what do you think?
Oh yes, of course. That would be fantastic. In my point of view, as I said, we're working on both on instrument, but different areas. Zolix, as far as I know, mostly focus on optical instruments, and we are in UHV, like growth and characterization instrument. I'm sure with the development of research requirement, more and more techniques need to be combined, and we, of course, Zolix and our group can, in the future, can work closely to contribute different techniques and to make more complicated systems.
Yeah, thank you. And as you know, this year is the 25th anniversary of Zolix instrument. Could you please send us some blessings?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
First of all, congratulations on 25-year birthday.
Thank you.
Zolix. I think as a company, going through 25 years is not easy, for sure, especially in China. It's very difficult, and we all see the achievements of Zolix. And also, as I said, I hope in the future we can have close cooperation, and Zolix can help us, can teach us some. In summary, best blessings to Zolix.
Thank you, Professor Huan. Thank you very much.
Thank you.